Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Oh my gosh, we have a paper avalanche over at Walgreens. After everything that we've been through earlier this month, it is time to stock up on cheap paper products for 55 cents each. And we have 90% off of selected toys. Oh my gosh. Let's dive right into the 90%. So I saw these tags that got hanged. I think they got hung on probably Saturday, because it's either Saturday or Tuesday in my market where these orange tags at 90 show up. Another shopper cleared out a lot of the clearance, but I did snap the tags and I have an idea what's on clearance, and I'm going to show you that in a quick second. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, meaning what's happening here in Michigan might be the same in Texas. However, it might be completely different in Rhode Island. So if it's worth your time to go in store and investigate, go for it. If not, pass on it. But 90% off of toys with Christmas around the corner, it's pretty advantageous for a lot of us, some of this stuff. So what I saw was this silly string. I showed you the tags previously. That the Marvel Pop or Nano Pop, it is 50 cents. And is 90% off. We have the Cocoa Melon. I think that was like $1.39 and some change, and $1.45 for the National Geographic glow thing. These are just visuals that I pulled on the internet from those tags, but be on the lookout for that. For this clearance, you actually have to go in store. You can't order it as a curbside order as well. And we have this cute little Mickey for $1. So if you're looking for this cute little stuff, stocking stuffers or Christmas gifts or donations for Toys for Tots, I would go today. I have not seen another influencer really talk about this either. It's been on the down low. I don't know if I was the first person to see the tags or what. Obviously, somebody else went and got the toys, but nobody's really talking about this, which is really odd because I follow some clearance shoppers that just do toy specific hauls. So this is some inside information. Go and make it happen today, which is Sunday the 13th. Here in the store as well, these larger bags, the 200 counters of the Tootsie Pops minis in select locations, $2.99. You would just grab a bag, bring it to the front cashier and ask for a price check. Obviously, if it's 11 or 9, absolutely not. But if it's $2.99 and this is something that you want for trick-or-treaters or just to have around, by all means, that's a fabulous price point. This is one item that's always following clearance. It's happened the last 2 or 3 years. I would definitely look for these minis if that's something you're on the lookout for. Now at the very end, I'm going to show you my $45 basket with my boosters. These are boosters. The top one's a paper one. The one on the below is a digital booster. And I stacked both of them for $15 back, a $45 basket, and I'll show you the math for that at the very end. But for all the new shoppers that are like, what's a booster? These are the boosters. The top one comes from the store, from the machine, and the bottom one is in the app. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and ensures that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. First deal that we're going to do, it's not negotiable. You have to do it because to have this paper in your stockpile, it's just great. It's to grab 2 of the Scott. You can either mix and match the paper towel and the toilet paper or grab 2 paper towels or 2 toilet papers, whatever you wish to do, but you need to grab them in increments of 2. This is the digital coupon that showed up this morning, which is a 3 off of 2. Now this is your Walgreens coupon, which is $1.25 off of 1. If you've already used it, just go look for it in the households folder. It should probably repopulate. Grabbing 2 of these for $10, subtracting that $1.25 Walgreens coupon, $2.50 will melt off, along with the 3 off of 2 manufacturer. And yes, you can stack those 2. You're going to pay $4.50 for the 2 or $2.25 per paper product, which is a fantastic price point. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Next cheap deal that we're going to look at is with the Colgate products at $4.50 a pop. $4 register reward when you buy 2. So for this one, we're going to grab 1 of the toothbrushes for $4.50 and a toothpaste for $4.50. So that is $9. Now, if you remember in my Friday video, I kind of was guessing that we would get $2 digital coupons on each, and Colgate was very generous with us, and they made this happen. So we have a 2 off of the paste and a 2 off of the brush. Alternatively, if you want to get a mouth rinse or a mouthwash, you can sub out that toothbrush for that as well. Pretty basic math for this one. Two of those products is $9. Subtracting $4 in digital coupons, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another deal that I think is absolutely fantastic this week is the all detergent, either the liquids or the pods. I'll tell you in a pinch, those pods are really fantastic. We use them all the time in our household. We got this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you load it for this deal. Grabbing 2 of them on a BOGO free, it's going to be $8.99. And then subtracting your digital coupon, and yes, it's attaching, you'll pay $4.99 for the 2 or $2.49 per laundry care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but for a product that's $8.99, to get it down to $2.49, that's a really good price point, especially if you're very sensitive to laundry scents. I'm right there. This is a very good deal. And those pods, we use them in lieu of those Tide Free and Gentle pods because sometimes it's really hard to track those down. Now we're going to look at some cheap shampoo deals. The first is the L'Oreal Elvive. This one shows up once in a blue moon, so I would definitely stock up if you love this shampoo. We have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have it loaded. A very straightforward deal, guys. Grabbing 2 of the Elvives for $10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo or conditioner or a mix. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And this deal pops up, I think, like once every other month. So it's probably time to get more of this Elvive. Another cheap deal on shampoo this week is with the Tresemme that are 2 for $12. The stylers are 2 for $14, a bit more, so this is the cheaper item to grab. We're going to load this Best Friend, which is the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So 2 of these shampoos is $12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per Tresemme. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Next deal that we're looking at is with the Dove body wash for $7. So this isn't even tagged that it's a deal, but it's actually in the flyer. So we're going to load this, which is the 5 off of 2. And this is valid this week only. So if you want to do this deal, you have to do it toot swit. So 2 of these is $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another deal I absolutely love are these trash bags that are $4.99. It's buy 1, get 2 for free. I'm always cleaning out various litter boxes, so I always need these bags. So if you look at the number $4.99 for 3, it's basically $1.66 for these 30 count bags of these trash bags. If you have pets, take your dogs for walks, or clean out litter boxes, you can see the value right here that this is a good deal. Okay, guys, now we're going to talk about my booster deal. I did stack these 2. The top one I got last week when I was shopping at Walgreens, which is a 5-back when you spend $25, and the bottom one is a 10-back when you spend $45, and that's a digital booster, and you could stack the 2. So it's essentially $15 back on a $45 basket. What I grabbed for my basket was 4 of the P&G paper products, and then the shampoo deals that we talked about, and another Dawn because we have a high value digital coupon to go with. So this was roughly about $47, and I needed a bunch of paper towels because I was running short, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? A family member recently came over and I gave her a couple bags of paper because she needed some, and then I'm kind of short myself. So the promotion for this is to buy 4 to get back a $5 register reward, but 2 $5 register rewards are in fact printing. We only have a couple chintzy coupons that include a 50-cent off of the essentials and then another 50-cent off of the Bounty essentials. So I used it. Hey, I made it work with other coupons. And then I also threw into the mix one of these Dawns. Now I know that blue one, the new fresh scent, is very contentious, so I went with apple Apple, and we've been enjoying using the Apple dish soap. It's quite good. And we have this $2 digital coupon. It expires this Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. And the 2 shampoo deals, the Tresemme and the Elvive, I also threw into the mix. So here's the math. 2 of the Tresemmes for $12, a Dawn for $3.99, 4 of the P&G papers for $21.96. They're $5.49 a pop. 2 L'Oreal Elvives for $10, for a grand total of $47.95. I had my digital booster loaded, which is a 10 back when you spend $45. Got the cashier to scan my paper booster, which is a 5 back when you spend $25. I had $10 in digital coupons melting off for me. So with my debit card, I paid $37.95. I got back $15 in Walgreens cash, $18 in register rewards, making this $4.95 for the 9 items, or 55 cents each. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store coupons to pay down the balance, such as that $1.25 Scott one that we were looking at earlier in the video, or if you might have a register reward that says store coupon on the top, just be mindful of that. But what a deal. And I'm very, very delighted with this. To show you, here are my register rewards. The top one's the $5 one from P&G, and then the 2 are for the shampoo, and the bottom one is another one for buying 4 of those P&G products to get back a $5 register reward. Now, here's the weird thing. I did look at that top one because I'm like, this is kind of weird. You know, $5 back on any, or $5 off of any P&G product. But if you look at the expiry date, I did this on the 13th. It expires on the 16th, which is Wednesday. So I have to use it really quick. Check yours if you're going to do any of these deals where this goofy blue one is printing and you have to use it on a P&G product, because they did this the last time. It has like a 3-day expiry date, which I don't fully understand, but it is what it is. So alternatively, I can go back in the store and grab one of these Tide Pods and pay 49 cents, or I could grab another paper product for 49 cents. I think I'm going to grab more paper because we have a bunch of pets that like to make messies. So that's probably the best deal for me. But just be super mindful of that. Look at the expiry date on that specific register reward, because I was shocked that it was just like 3 days. But how fantastic is that? That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.